Good morning. I am Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameshwar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss common errors in English. It's important for degree final year students. He will have to learn how to control his anger. We'll try to understand. He will have to learn how to control his anger. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, he will have to learn how to control his temper, because correct expression is control or keep or lose your temper, not anger. The noise of the traffic outside all day annoys me. It's incorrect. Correct one is, the noise of the traffic outside all day irritates me, because something unpleasant that happens repeatedly or continuously over a long period of time tends to irritate or frustrate people. Well, try to notice the word irritate or frustrate the people, especially because they know that they can do nothing to stop it. Again, for example, I felt so tense that even the ticking of the clock began to irritate me. I'm constantly frustrated by all the niggling little jobs that I have to do. He gave the class another homework. Well, it's incorrect. He gave the class another homework. Correct one is, he gave the class some more homework, because rule says another plus singular countable noun. Again, for example, we need another chair, or some or more plus uncountable noun. Again, for example, we need some more time, or we need more time. If Rahul is busy, get another man to help you. Well, try to notice. If Rahul is busy, get another man to help you. Correct one is, if Rahul is busy, get somebody else to help you. Can't you use another's computer? Well, try to notice. Can't you use another's computer? It's incorrect. Correct one is, can't you use someone else's computer? Because when you mean a different person, thing or place, you should use someone else, something else, or somewhere else. Again, for example, I got fed up with the job and decided to do something else. There is also another point that is worth mentioning. We'll try to notice the sentence. There is also another point that is worth mentioning. It is incorrect. Correct one is, there is another point that is worth mentioning, because you should not use also with another. Next, without a car, it takes a long time to get from a place to another. We'll try to notice again. Without a car, it takes a long time to get from a place to another. It is incorrect. Correct one is, without a car, it takes a long time to get from one place to another, not a place. Next, they still can't find an answer for this problem. We'll try to notice. They still can't find an answer for this problem. It is incorrect. Correct one is, they still can't find an answer to the problem, because answer takes two prepositions. Next, there is a beautiful antique church in the center of the town. Well, try to notice. There is a beautiful antique church in the center of the town. It is incorrect. Correct one is, there is a beautiful old church in the center of the town. Though antique is the synonym for the word old, but here it is not suitable, because antique is used for objects, not for buildings. Again, for example, the upper middle class have become collectors of antique furniture. Next, he has made a lot of money from selling antique things. Well, try to notice. He has made a lot of money from selling antique things. It is incorrect. Correct one is, he has made a lot of money from selling antiques. Never use things with the word antique, because correct expression is an antique, not an antique thing. Again, for example, some of these antiques must be worth a fortune. In this way, today we have become acquainted with certain common sentences most commonly used in English language. That's all for now. Thank you.